everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is a follow-up video to the unboxing video I did for the Tamiya Fine Spec radio control system electronics. Today I'm going to talk about how they are set up and how they work with each other. So let's get into it. First, again, unboxing, we showed you the transmitter. And the transmitter, I put in 4 AA batteries already. And we have the charger and the battery. This is the receiver. And I want you to notice there's 3 slots here, labeled 1, 2, and B. And that there's a little notch on the left-hand side there. I hope you can see that. And this is the servo and the ESC, and we already have the motor on the chassis here. And this also has the same wire as the servo. So this schematic I'm going to show you right now is pretty standard, and it's going to be for pretty much any RC car. And to match up with that slot, there is a little wing right here on the servo plug, and you just want to match that up and put that in there. Servo is always channel 1 and ESC is always channel 2. All right, so that's ready, and I'm going to connect the ESC to the motor. So yellow to yellow, blue to green. And I usually just tie up the orange to the other 2 wires. That 3rd wire is for a brushless motor, which has 3 wires, and is not needed for this motor. Okay, I have everything. Let's go ahead and plug in the battery. I put on a servo horn here just to show that it's going to be moving. And I have the TTO2. You'll see the wheel spin in a second here. So, I don't know if yours will be paired already, but mine wasn't. So I want to show you how to pair your TRU-08 receiver with the transmitter. All right, so I should have shown you before I plugged it in, but there's a hole right here. And there's actually a button inside that you need to press. So make sure the ESC is turned off first. And you're going to need something narrow and small. I'm using a 1.5 millimeter hex driver. And I'm going to keep it pressed in and turn on the ESC. You'll see that the light is blinking. And on the back of the transmitter, there's a button right here. It's the function button, and I'm going to turn that on, hold that and turn it on. And if everything works right, this light should stop blinking, and we can go ahead and turn that off and turn this off. And then to turn it back on, you want to start with the transmitter always, and then the ESC right here, and you notice that the servo is powered up. Let me show you. It's working. And then also the throttle is going to spin these wheels. All right, so now we know that both are working properly, and we have this set up. So that's how RC car electronics are set up. From the transmitter to the receiver sends signals to the servo and the ESC is connected to the battery and also connected to the motor. And that's how RC electronics work. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.